Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make churros out of bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need some stale bread, milk, sugar, cinnamon, and cooking oil for frying. Next, prepare your bread by trimming off the crusts. Then, cut each slice into strips, aiming for pieces about 1 inch wide and 4 inches long. Finally, mix sugar and cinnamon in a shallow dish for later coating. Now, let's get those bread strips ready for frying. Take each bread strip and quickly dip it into milk, just enough to moisten it thoroughly without making it soggy. After soaking, gently squeeze out any excess milk. You want them soft but not dripping. If you like, you can lightly roll or shape the softened bread to resemble more traditional churro forms, though this step is optional. It's time to fry our bread churros. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few bread strips into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. As soon as they come out of the oil, immediately roll the hot churros in your cinnamon sugar mixture to coat them evenly. Your delicious bread churros are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of chocolate dipping sauce or a dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch. These quick and easy churros are perfect for a spontaneous sweet treat or a fun dessert. They are a fantastic way to transform simple ingredients into something special. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.